Welcome to your YouTube channel, Motivation, Success and Love. In this video, we will learn how to be brave and strong in life. Yeah, you should be happy. It's very nice to be patient in what you do. Because patience and long breaks are important factors for success. It's also very important that you do not let fear dominate you. In this life, we are characters and each has a role. There is no need to complicate things. Live life simply and fill your day with love and optimism. The things you complain about, you forget. They're not permanent. The poor state of mind does not remain the same. It changes and soon becomes hopeful again, filled with positive energy. Don't be sad if you're making an effort that you don't appreciate. One day you're going to reap this success. The law of the universe is that patience is the key to success and there is no need to rush to reap the fruits. You will grow, and when you grow, you will reap everything. Just enjoying life's difficulties. It's nice to feel fun fighting for our dreams. Don't take the fun out of the hard way. Difficulties eventually lead to development and success. Deal with the stress simply and forgive. Practice meditation and yoga. Sit down with one of your cats, stroke its beautiful fur, and take a picnic in the wild. The important thing is never to give in to any circumstance you're going through. The universe sends you experience through life's difficulties. Just overcome the hardships and you will see miracles and wonders happen in your life one by one. Most successful people suffered a lot before arriving. When someone has achieved something, he says with pleasure, "The days of my misery were the most beautiful days of my life. How foolish I was when I hated difficulties and suffering." Yes, pain is as important as happiness. Your goal will come true. Work with love and patience and calm and wait for nothing. Success will come on its own. Just enjoy it. Thank you for your watching.